Hello, this is Whitney Utley, and here is my presentation for Module 1, Questioning the Curriculum, and my presentation is titled School and Curriculum in America. The history of curriculum in the United States changes due to major events in our society, and as the United States changes over time. John Dewey's quote emphasizes the changes in curriculum development in the United States. And he said, "Any education is, in its forms and methods, an outgrowth of the needs of the society in which it exists." Schooling in the United States consisted of apprenticeships in the 18th and 19th centuries, things such as blacksmiths and textile production. Then education focused largely on agricultural knowledge in the 20th century due to the farming nature of families during that time. Prior to 1910, education consisted of lists of state-comprised subjects to teach, skills that needed to be mastered, and content that needed to be delivered. Ideas about education and curriculum changed with Dewey's theories of education, where he posits that education should parallel with life in and out of school. Moreover, there were great changes to curriculum during the time of the Great Depression and World War II, because education did not prepare high school students for independent living, and they could not find work. Changes to curriculum development stalemated after the war, but picked up again during the Cold War, when America was feeling that education was lagging, while Russia was excelling. The decline in farming and the increase in technology has sparked further change in curriculum development, starting with the Industrial Revolution. The concept of curriculum. Curriculum development has stemmed from epistemology and the research learning. Curriculum developers' insights come from curriculum theorists. The United States government and states are the ones who decide what is included and not included in curriculum. In Michael Young's Powerful Knowledge, he examines the idea of how government has powerful knowledge and how knowledge becomes elite when it is not equalized for everyone to have access to it. He also posits that curriculum should be tailored to meet the capabilities and interests of students. The purpose of schools. Milan Sivek stated in his TED Talk that only 53% of students are engaged in school, which is a very sad reality. If we follow Michael Young's ideas on how schools should tailor curriculum to meet students' capabilities and interests, then maybe more than 53% of students would be engaged in school. Milan Sivek examines students' personal transformation and social transformation in his TED Talk. He explains how students in today's society need social and emotional learning and should receive instruction in understanding love and relationships as well. He also explained how project-based learning should be relevant to students in order to engage them in the community. It is a school's responsibility to engage students in meaningful education and to ensure that students receive equal access to education in order so that they can reach their highest potentials and contribute to society. If a school has this responsibility, then it will also be the responsibility of the teacher to uphold and reinforce these values in students. Thank you.